I'm Adam Ashcroft. I'm a commissioning manager with LotusWorks on a semiconductor site in Arizona. We specialize in the quality and commissioning delivery on site here. During the commissioning phase of the project, our electrical team will be doing electrical energizations. Our controls team is going to be doing instrumentation and controls checkout. And then of course, our mechanical teams, our ultra pure water teams, our gas teams, they're all going to be doing functional acceptance tests on site, making sure each of the pieces of equipment and the systems perform as they're intended to per those design drawings. The way our services benefit our client is they can have the peace of mind that anything that has been functionally tested has gone through all of its failure modes. So we'll have identified all the issues that could potentially pop up on a system or piece of equipment. We'll have tested that the equipment responds in a safe manner for both people and the equipment itself. We usually have a morning kickoff with each of the discipline teams. So the mechanical team will all meet together, talk about the plan for the day. Electrical team will see which loads need to be energized that day. I'll have several alignment meetings with commissioning managers, and then from there we'll go about our tasks. We'll prepare pre-test plans to identify all the hazards on site so that no one gets hurt. We'll go out and do our FATs, our functional acceptance tests. We'll sign off the scope that needs to be completed for that day. I'd say one of the ways we go above and beyond is to get out there early, be communicating with the trades, be communicating with the construction managers and the project managers, just to make sure that from the start, all of the install quality is correct and will facilitate an easy startup of that equipment.